This is the one you've been waiting for, a home central to the Gap with 360-degree views. And you're probably thinking, is that even possible? My name is Kathleen Luck and I'm thrilled to show you this beautiful home here on Cheppen Street. From your rooftop bar and private sanctuary, you have a direct line of Brisbane City and that beautiful Taylor Range. You'll spend morning coffees and afternoon sessions here feeling like you're on top of the world. From almost every angle, this home has a private or leafy view. The clever layout also means that both levels can be self-sufficient. Upstairs is the main kitchen with bespoke cabinetry, and this opens to the north-facing deck. Downstairs, you'll find the kitchenette and a further living space with a multitude of options. The design features of this home and architectural lines ensures a truly unique experience. From entering, you'll think you have stepped into a Palm Springs spa. This whole area flows north through the living to the large semi-enclosed deck. Imagine your special family events entertaining out here. We would love to show you more, so please feel free to contact myself or one of my team members and we can arrange your viewing.